Dear students, to maintain the stability of a rotating object about its axis, a couple will get generated in the system that is called as gyroscopic couple. We are going to discuss a problem related to gyroscopic couple in this lecture video. A uniform disc of diameter 300 mm and of mass 5 kg is mounted on one end of an arm of length 600 mm. The other end of the arm is free to rotate in a universal bearing if the disc rotates about the arm with a speed of 300 rpm clockwise looking from the front. With what speed will it precess about the vertical axis? So we can note down the data given in the problem. Diameter of the rotating disc D is equal to 300 mm, that is 0.3 meter. Mass of the rotating disc small m is 5 kilogram. Length of the arm at which the disc is connected L is equal to 600 mm, that is 0.6 meter. Rotating speed of the disc N is equal to 300 rpm. For the given condition, we are asked to calculate the precession velocity omega p. According to the gyroscopic principle, it has proven that the gyroscopic couple getting generated is equal to the active couple, that is CA, generated due to the load acted on the system. Okay, so the formula for gyroscopic couple C is known to be I into omega p. So here I is the mass moment of inertia of the rotating component, omega is the angular velocity of the rotating disc, omega p is the precession velocity. I can be calculated as mk square. M is mass of the disc and K is the radius of gyration of the disc. For circular disc, K is R by root 2, so which can be written as M R square by 2. Okay, so mass value is given in the problem as 5 kg into diameter of the disc is given as 300 mm, that is 0.3 meter. So the radius value can be substituted as 0.15 square divided by 2. So I value is 0.05625 kilogram meter square. The angular velocity of the rotating disc can be calculated using the formula 2 pi n by 60, where n is the rotating speed of the disc, that is given as 300 rpm in the problem. So omega value will be obtained as 31.4159 radian per second. Omega p value has been asked to calculate. By substituting the known values in this formula, that is the formula for gyroscopic couple, C is equal to 0.05625, that is the mass moment of inertia of the rotating disc, into omega is 31.4159 radian per second into omega p. The C value, by keeping omega p as unknown, 1.7671 omega p. So now, considering the active couple due to the acted weight in the system, CA can be calculated as the product of the weight of the considered system into the length. Here, mass of the disc is given as 5 kg, so the weight can be obtained by multiplying 9.81 meter per second square into capital L value is given as 600 mm, that is the length of the arm at the end of which the disc is connected. So L value is 0.6 meter. CA value will be 29.43 Newton meter. Okay, this is CA. Already we have discussed that this gyroscopic couple will be equal to the active couple getting generated. Now we can equate this equation 1 and 2. C value is 1.7671 omega p, which is equal to active couple as 29.43 Newton meter, from which we can calculate the precession velocity omega p as 16.6544 radian per second.